Hi, I am Dr. Barker with Integrative Pain and Wellness Center, and previously in my video on how to release negative emotions, I discussed the two kind of basic underlying components to intentionally release emotions of awareness and intention. And I also talked about in the video on muscle testing that there are tools that we can use to aid in either the awareness or intention piece. And the muscle testing helps us to gain a better awareness so that we can then, with our intention, release the emotions. But there are also tools that we can use to aid our intention to help release the emotion. And usually it incorporates adding some kind of energetic boost into the body. So other techniques that utilize these kinds of energetic boosts, EMDR uses rapid eye movement. There are techniques that incorporate tapping different energy centers to add that energetic boost into the body. The emotion code uses the governing meridian, which runs from your upper lip over the top of your head down to the tip of your spine. And there are other energetic boosts within my practice. Often just my body physically being there and my intention adds an energetic boost to helping patients to process emotions. But I'm going to show you a simple tool that can be used. So if you are aware and have identified an emotion, but you are having a hard time letting that emotion go, then you can do the following. So you would rub your hands together. And all we've done so far is created some friction energy. And so now we've used this same technique. I showed you how to use this to reprogram a subconscious belief, but now we are using it for something different. So we're assigning different meaning to the energy in between our hands. So whether you have become aware of one emotion or 10 emotions or 20 emotions, this technique works for one or more negative emotions. So as long as you have the awareness piece, then you would, in your mind or out loud, assign meaning to the energy in between your hands. It now would represent the energy of the emotions that you have gained an awareness to. And so as you bring your hands together against any resistance, you are essentially releasing those emotions physically from within the body. Okay, so go ahead, if you have an emotion that you're aware of, you can assign meaning after you've rubbed your hands together, and then slowly, while keeping that intention of releasing and surrendering that emotion, you would bring your hands together until your hands touch. Now again, just like when using this tool for releasing or changing subconscious belief patterns, this I want you to think of not as a necessary tool, but as training wheels, because eventually you will outgrow the need for it. As you learn to surrender and strengthen your intention, you will not need a tool to let go of the emotions. You can simply go into that state of surrender and allow that emotion to flow through you, and you don't need to do this or tap or move your eyes around. You can simply just do it with your intention alone. So I hope that this tool serves you well and that you can outgrow the need of it as your spiritual progression increases. Thank you so much.